I'm so hungry just smelling this. It smells so good. It's delicious. Hi guys, I'm Chetna, cookbook author and food writer, and I'm so happy to be back here with another delicious recipe. And I have chosen quite a straightforward recipe. It's the Chile Naan, and I wrote that recipe in my book Healthy Indian Vegetarian, so you can find it there as well. It is quite a basic naan recipe, and the best bit is once you've tried this naan, then you can add different flavors to it and make it your own. Going to start with some strong white bread flour, and to this just going to add some dried yeast, some chili powder, some salt, a bit of sugar, then goes in some natural yogurt and some sunflower oil. Just going to bring it together. Just going to slowly add some water. You really don't need a stand mixer for this. It's quite an easy dough to prepare. Just going to knead it for 4 to 5 minutes. The dough becomes smooth and soft, and I'm just going to use the same bowl. Just put a few drops of oil. Leave the dough in here to prove for an hour. I'm just putting together the topping for the naan. So I've got a handful of fresh coriander leaves, a mild green chili. You can use a spicy one as well, a hot one. So I'm just going to chop this up. And then just chop up the chili as well. And to this I'm going to add some spices. A bit of chaat masala, some ground cumin, and some chili flakes. Just give it a mix and it's ready for the dough. So I've got this fantastic rolling pin, and it's got these rubber rings, and you can choose and decide what thickness you want the pastry or the dough to be and use the ring accordingly. But I want it really thin, so I'm just getting rid of these rings. I might keep just one of this. So I have got the dough, which looks lovely. Look at that. And that should make around 8 naans, depending on the size of the naan you want. Just going to get a little bit of flour. Just take one at a time, a bit of flour, and then we'll roll these out. So that is looking pretty good, and I'm just going to just brush some water on top, sprinkle some of the lovely mix. Just press it down so that it sticks to the dough, and then I'm going to cook this. So nice hot pan, and I'm just going to cook for 2 to 3 minutes on medium heat. And once it starts to bubble up, I'm just going to turn this off and cook on the other side. And around 4 to 5 minutes in total, and this is ready. To finish this with some butter or some ghee. Just let it all melt. delicious, so soft with the right bit of heat. I really do hope you're going to give this a go. Try the chicken curry, my chicken curry recipe with this, or the chickpea curry that I shared earlier on. Or you can just grate some cheese on top once it's ready. You can grate some cheese, slip it under the grill, under a hot grill, and enjoy it as a cheesy naan. And like I said, you could add your own flavors and experiment a little with this. But please do give this a go, and thanks for watching. Bye for now.